Is her account suspended? There are two ways to get your account back. 1. Contact HER customer support. Go at her customer support and submit a request. Choose your issue. Write your email and subject. In the description, write a text that your account is suspended and that you want it back. Choose your device, Android or Apple iOS, and press submit. 2. Purchase a new number from DatingZest. Purchase a new number from DatingZestShop. Press purchase now. Write your billing details and credit card information. Go at her and create an place order account with phone. Write the country code. Go at DatingZest and get the number. Copy the number and paste it on her. HER will send you a code. Copy the code and paste it on her. Write your information such as your name, email, and birth date. Tell them your gender, your relationship status, and height. Choose your interest and tell them more about yourself. Now upload some pictures of yourself. Your account is now created and verified.